Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use HP Command Center to optimize performance on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. The HP Command Center is a free software that usually comes with your laptop if it supports it fully, but sometimes it is absent from your PC, and you can easily check it out if you go to the Start menu, then scroll down to the All Applications list and find your HP Command Center under the H letter. And if you cannot see it here, that means that we're gonna have to download it manually, and we can do this in the Microsoft Store. So open the Start menu, then go to the Microsoft Store on your computer, and then let's open the search field and let's search for HP Command Center. And in case you cannot find it here, usually it will be the first result on the screen, but in case you cannot find it here, we can still download it through the browser. So let's just open the browser, and so now let's open any search engine and search for Microsoft official website. Now let's go to the Microsoft website, and then right here you will find this magnifier icon. Tap on it and let's search for HP Command Center. Okay, and as a first result, you will see HP Command Center free download and install on Windows Microsoft Store. So open this page, then you can click View in Store, and somehow it will actually appear here. So just click Install to install the Command Center and wait until this program is downloaded and installed on your laptop. And once it is installed, let's open this application. Let's agree to terms and conditions, click Apply, and that's it. Right here we can change our device mode by selecting either Balanced, Performance, Quiet or Cool modes. We can also enable Focus mode to dim the background on our laptop. And especially in case this application wasn't natively available on your laptop, that probably means that its functionality was transferred to some other applications like MyHP application. Let's check if you have MyHP application on your laptop, and let's see what we can do here. Well, the Command Center application is quite more advanced than MyHP app, but we can have access to the basic functionality of it in here. So all you have to do is open MyHP application. You don't have to sign into your HP account, but if you want to, you can do that real quick. Then go to your laptop's settings, and here we can open System Control, and unfortunately we cannot switch the modes, but we can choose between balanced and power saving mode here, and we can also use the focus mode here by switching the toggle to the right. And besides, we can also run the optimizer to optimize our device performance. So you can actually use both applications as they have slightly different functionality. They basically complement each other. And now tap next to confirm, and now let's see what we have to do to optimize our device's performance. As you can see, we can optimize it with just one click by selecting Optimize right here, but we can also use some additional actions like checking system files, like emptying recycle bin, cleaning web browser's history, cookies and cache, and all the things we have in here. So you can just click Optimize, and in less than a minute your entire system will be optimized. And yeah, that's how easily you can do this. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.